Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your Snapchat My Eyes Only password in 2025. If you're all about keeping your private snaps super secure, this is a must-know feature. Snapchat's My Eyes Only is that hidden vault for your most personal memories, and changing the password regularly is a smart way to protect your data from prying eyes. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll walk you through it step by step, and we'll get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. This is crucial because Snapchat updates its features frequently, and we're focusing on the 2025 interface. Okay, let's jump in. Start by opening the Snapchat app and logging into your account. Once you're on the main camera screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. That'll take you to your profile page. Next, scroll down and tap on the Memories option. It's like your personal photo album. Now, look for the My Eyes Only section. It might be locked with a password prompt. Tap on it to enter. Once inside, you'll see a settings gear icon in the top right. Go ahead and tap that. Here, you should find an option that says something like Change Password or Security Settings. Select that, and Snapchat will ask you to enter your current password for verification. After you've verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make it strong, mix letters, numbers, and symbols to keep it secure. Type in your new password, then confirm it by entering it again. Hit Save or Confirm, and you're all set. Snapchat might ask you to log out and back in, so just follow any on-screen instructions. A quick tip: if you forget your new password, you'll have to reset it through Snapchat's recovery process, which could mean losing access to your My Eyes Only content temporarily. So, jot it down somewhere safe. That's it for this tutorial. Changing your password is a simple way to stay secure in 2025's digital world. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.